Good morning, class 7. Today we will do representation of scale. Scale are of three types. Statement or variable scale where the description is written in a ratio. The map scale and the actual area surface are written in words. The statement scale has a statement stating that the distance on the map represents on the ground. Like the one here, 1 centimeter represent 250 meters. Like this way it will be written. Next is representative fraction or numerical fraction, that is RF. In such method of writing, the scale of the map is done using a representative fraction to describe the ratio between the map and the ground distance. The representative fraction or numeral fraction or scale of a map indicates the relationship of distance measured on a map and the corresponding distance on the ground. This scale is written in the form of fraction. That's why it is known as fraction scale. And in this scale, both the numbers are is being written in centimeter only. That might be 1 is to 2,50,000 centimeter. This way. Graphical scale or linear scale. These scales are visible with the relationship between distance on the map on the surface. The graphical scale or linear scale of a map is a bar which usually represents the true distance of the unit length of the map. Now measuring distance. There are different ways of measuring distance. One is using paper or strip. The distance of A and B on a map is 4.2 centimeter. Then we will know that the distance might be more, because 1 centimeter is representing 2 kilometer. In the map, if it is written 4.2 centimeter, that means in the original it will be 8.4 kilometer, because 2 into 4.2 centimeter we will get the original one. The next is find places of strip of paper along the connecting A and B and mark the distance with a pencil on the paper. Then we transfer the paper on the linear scale drawn on the map and read the distance in kilometer using primary, secondary divisions. One more type is carved lines like rivers, railway lines, such places when it is measured, it is measured with a piece of twine, which is carefully aligned in the carved line connecting two points. Then that string may be measured in centimeter using a ruler, then converted into the distance into kilometer based on the scale that is provided on the map. Shadow. Next is the length of the carved line may be measured using a pair of divider or a strip of paper. Then that can be carefully aligned on the carved line and we can read out the distance. Distance on the map may also be measured using simple instrument called this one, obsometer. Now directions. As we know, in the map there are measure component of map is direction. The map contain an arrow marked with an letter N at the upper right hand corner. This arrow shows the north direction and therefore it is called north line. Once we are knowing the north direction, then the other direction is easier for us to understand. Along these four directions are known as cardinal directions. Apart from this, these four directions are further divided into intermediate directions. This is what I am talking about. East, west, north, south. In between north and east, it will be northeast. North and west, it will be northwest, and north, south and west, southwest, south and east, southeast. So those are the intermediate directions. Conventional signs, there are different signs which are used on the map. These signs are used worldwide because people traveling from here, one country to other country, can read the map with the help of those signs. So these signs have been adopted by all the countries of the world. Signs are of many types, like letters, which are written in bold. For example, if somewhere it is written T, that means T denotes for tank, that will be written in bold for capital names, and italics for cities. Next is colors. Colors are used, various shades and colors are used on the map to give us the idea. For instance, for different heights of landforms or depth of water bodies, different colors are used for different physical features. Yellow, like yellow, green, brown, these are used for landforms, while blue are used for water bodies. Symbols. Some structures can be represented as symbols which look similar to the real ones, like the church. The symbol, sometimes this type of symbol is used, and sometimes cross is also used. Next is lines. Lines of equal value can be used to denote height of a place. Those are known as counter lines, joining places that are of the same height above the sea level. Height means from the sea level. Lines are also used to represent highways, roads, railway lines, and national and international boundaries. Keys and legends. These are also essential features on map. This helps to understand the interpreted the map correctly. They carry explanation or meanings of color, signs, and symbols that are used. They are mostly placed on the bottom right side or left side of the map. Apart from signs, other signs are also used to create for special uses for our own understanding. They are used when we make sketches or plans. A map given below shows places that tourists can visit when they come to a town. You can find bus stations has been marked when an image of the bus. Similarly, areas where restrooms are available, it is being given a symbol of restroom or a box on the bottom of the map, and there it is being described. Apart from this, alphabets are written without writing complete name. The name of the place is given in the box which indicates the name of the place the alphabet represents. For example, if the alphabet O is represented, then in a box it will be written Civil War Museum. So this is how a map is been created.